Hey everyone, welcome back to Lord of the Coins. As a gift for the new year, I am still giving away at least 5 free subscriptions into my private trading community for anyone who is subscribed, just as a thank you for supporting my channel. So leave a comment down below with the word Cardano, as it'll help me reach out to you about winning access into the group. So on this channel, we'll be adding ADA to a list of traded coins, as price action is starting to finally look fairly healthy for ADA. So in this video, we'll cover more of a lower time frame outlook on ADA, but we'll also just cover how its price action will follow the rest of the market and cover some areas of interest for some trades. Before we do get started on the lower time frame, I did want to give a brief higher time frame outlook, as Cardano has finally broken a previous high. If you look back here, all these highs have not been broken, but finally we have broken a previous high, and we're looking fairly bullish on Cardano here. And since this is the case, I'll be looking for a long entry into Cardano. So I'm going to go down to the 2 hour here. Actually, I'll go down to the 1 hour, because I want to show you guys something here. If you guys are looking for shorts on Cardano, on this move here, Cardano has actually given us many opportunities into this trade. For example, this is what I mean. So Cardano had a sweep right here, which is just a sweep of liquidity for anyone who went long a little too early. I denote that by an X on my chart. And then down here, this is your change of character, which I denote by a Y on my chart. Once you have this, it generates your zone of demand and zone of supply in this case, since it is a bearish zone of supply. I'm gonna mark it red. So pretty much anything in this area would have been a good entry into a short trade. So now that we have this, we have another sweep within this zone of supply, and another change of character within the zone of supply, giving us more entries into a short trade here. So if you generate this zone of supply here, you can see that we had a tap right here. And finally, we had one last one right here. Actually, this would have been your change of character on this low here. And that gives you another zone of supply, just like this. You see we had another tap here before finally having this move down. Possibly more of a scalp, as price action is heading back up here, but I do believe price action will get rejected off of the VWAP or after filling this fair value gap that exists right here. The reason I believe it will come back down is because of my prediction on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is my chart for Bitcoin, where I believe that we're finding a slight retrace here down to one of these green order blocks down here. I don't think the retrace will be deep, probably to 0.5 or to the golden pocket, and I believe that we'll find some sort of reversal here back into another bullish move for Bitcoin. With that said, I do believe Cardano will be bullish as well with the rest of the market, and we can find a pretty good long entry in this area. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna go down to the 2 hour here now. So right here is the H4 order block with a daily key level right under it. This means that if we do get price action down here, we have a good area of demand and a good opportunity for price to head back up. But if it doesn't, and we do get a candle close below this low right here, then it's a clean confirmation and invalidation of our trade. So if that is the case, then we can immediately switch our positions to be bearish and look for short positions. This is why I believe this is a really good area for a trade, as if you did end up losing the trade right here, you can easily make it back, as the other direction would be the confirmed direction. So in order for Cardano to stay bullish, it needs to stay above this daily key level and find some sort of support on this order block or anywhere above it. It's possible that we can find harder support on this monthly VWAP, which is the blue line, or even the previous week VWAP, which is this green line. But in my opinion, I believe it will come down here to retest this order block and possibly find a move up from here. But it will really depend on how Bitcoin acts and how the US markets act. So when price action makes its way down here, I'll try to make another video for you guys, but it is a little difficult to do real-time updates on YouTube. So if you guys do want real-time updates, do check out my private trading community and my Patreon link in the description down below. But if not, I will try my best to get this information out to you guys. So if you guys enjoy this type of quick content, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want slightly more detailed content, I can definitely do that for you guys too. And I can kind of just talk about my charts a little bit more. Just let me know down in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for your guys' support. And I'll see you guys next time.